In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Microsoft Copilot Studio with Monday.com, allowing you to enhance your task management experience with AI assistance. This process is straightforward and will significantly improve your workflow by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to log into your user accounts on both Monday.com and Microsoft Copilot Studio. Ensuring you're signed into both platforms is crucial, as it sets the stage for connecting these two powerful tools. Once you're logged in, you'll have unrestricted access to their capabilities, allowing us to proceed with the integration process smoothly. Now head over to the integration section within Monday.com. You can easily find this in your account settings or the main dashboard. This section is where you can connect various apps and services to extend the functionality of your account. It's an invaluable feature that greatly enhances the versatility of Monday.com. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Once you've accessed the integrations, look for Microsoft Copilot or the AI integration option. These integrations are designed to bring new capabilities to your task and project management endeavors by utilizing advanced AI technology. As these platforms consistently evolve, they often introduce new integrative possibilities. Therefore, exploring these options can reveal useful, hidden gems that boost your productivity. After selecting the Microsoft Copilot integration, you'll be prompted to authorize this connection with your Microsoft account. This step is essential because it establishes a secure link between your accounts, enabling data to flow seamlessly. Rest assured, maintaining your privacy and security is a top priority, and this authorization ensures that both platforms can communicate effectively while safeguarding your information. Now that the connection is authorized, it's time to configure your data sync and AI automation settings. This part is where you determine how the AI will interact with your tasks and projects. You can usually customize a variety of settings to suit your workflow. Whether it's setting up triggers that activate AI assistance or establishing parameters for specific tasks, these configurations allow you to tailor the AI's functionalities to best fit your needs. Finally, once you've configured these settings to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures all your preferences are locked in and ready to go. With everything set up, you can now start managing tasks with the assistance of AI. You'll likely notice how much smoother your processes become, with AI taking on some of the heavy lifting. This integration not only saves you time, but also offers insights and predictions that can drive your project management to new heights. With these steps complete, you're all set to experience the benefits of AI-augmented task management. Remember, exploring new integrations like this one can significantly leverage your productivity and efficiency, so keep experimenting and finding new ways to